YouTube? It's your boy TJ. Back with another video. What's up, y'all? It's your boy TJ, and I'm back with another video, man. Y'all, today is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. So I know y'all gonna be doing a lot of great things today. I know y'all gonna be popping fireworks. Y'all gonna be partying, drinking in the pool, on the water slide, all different type of stuff, man. So what's going on, y'all? Today is my very first vlog. It's my very first vlog, y'all. So if I'm doing different things that's crazy or whatnot, then y'all please forgive me. Say hey, Jemai.
Hey, Jemai.
Say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Y'all, this is my little nephew. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the little notification bell so you can be notified for all of my videos. Y'all, today is finna go down with this vlog. I'm finna go ahead and head to the stores and to the supermarket and get some get some things. And yeah, that's gonna be basically my day. I'm gonna go get me some fireworks so we can pop firecrackers later on tonight. And we finna get this party started, man. We finna do what we gotta do. So y'all, we got us a water slide. I ain't got my pool up, y'all. I'm mad. I don't got my pool up. But we did get a water slide, and I'm gonna show y'all what the water slide look in just a few. In the next clip, y'all will see what what the water slide look like. So yeah, like I said, make sure y'all subscribe.
Let me show y'all. It's right there to the right.
I'ma show them. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I said, hit that notification bell so you can be notified with all of my videos. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.
Peace. Okay.
So y'all, I'm walking where the water slide is now, y'all.
Yeah, we should right here.
I'm walking with the water slide. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how big that water slide is? You see how big the water slide is, Jamar?
Yeah.
Do y'all see that?
I'm
Man, just imagine me getting my fat on that water slide and coming down like Rasputin. How you doing?
You have to stay down.
Huh?
You have to stay down.
Yeah, you gotta slide down. But I don't like how he got a position though. It's like you going to the ditch. I don't like that. But yeah, that's what the water slide looking like, y'all. We finna have a good time on this good 4th of July, man. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I'll see y'all in the... What you say?
Let's get it!
So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all. So y'all see I'm in Walmart. Coming to get a few things. I'm trying to find out, see where my dad and them at. But y'all look at me. Y'all see me? I'm on the scooter, y'all. So y'all, right now I'm in Walmart. Ooh, they got some nice stuff up in here. Ooh, I'm trying to find out where they at. I don't know where they at, y'all. Trying to find out where they at. Maybe they over there. Maybe they over there by the where the sand and stuff is. So let me go ahead on over there where the sand and stuff is. Oh, I found them. Dun dun dun. I done found where they is, y'all. Finally. Yeah, I was so tired I didn't know what to do. I got up this morning. Hey, Jemai, I'ma get you. Y'all look at here. I'm recording on my phone, so I'm gonna have to do another clip to flip it over. So y'all, ooh, they got some nice stuff up here. Hey now, you know. No, don't come over here. Come on, come say the video. Look at him, y'all.
Hey, guys.
Don't do too much. Let me go get this. Oh, you wrecked into me. Hold on, y'all. What you wrecked into me for? Don't hit me. Shoot. What you see, Dad? I hope I don't get copyrighted for this music. What you see? Oh, y'all, these some beautiful rugs. Shh. These some beautiful rugs. Y'all, I hope I don't get copyrighted. I'm gonna see y'all in a few minutes. I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, that hold it. What that look like?
What?
That one.
You got the leaf on color
That's
coding
nice.
it. On color coding the leaf with the leaf rug.
Mm.
The leaf with the leaf rug.
Wow.
Surprising. She don't know I'm getting it.
Oh Lord. Well, y'all, when I get my first place, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna shop. I'm gonna give me some nice rugs. You see, they got a nice TV stand, but I don't need nothing. I'm gonna give me a big TV.
Come on.
I don't need nothing that small. I might give me something like that. Might give me something like that. But these are nice rugs. Oh, look at that welcome sign. Give my apartment. And look at that one say dogs are welcome. People tolerated. Ah, give me that show when I give me another dog. Ooh, y'all, look at
Like
it.
that. Look at that. That goes. Hey.
Oh, you like them? Okay, they started back with this music. I ain't finna get copyrighted. I'm gonna call y'all back. Oh, I need to give me one of them tables for when I start my business. And I could be,
We got that already in the shed.
oh, look at this.
Ain't but
I'm gonna
$20.
give me one when I get. I'm gonna give me another when I get my business started. I'm gonna give me one. But y'all be back. I don't want to get copyrighted. So y'all, now we in the toy section. Ooh, look at Uno. Look at all that. Look at all that. Ooh, wee, that's a nice. Ooh, wee. I know I sure need another phone case. I ought to buy me one. I ain't gonna buy me one yet because I don't have no money. Ooh, look at the movies. Ooh, boy, watch out.
Wait, what you
Say
want, boy?
excuse me.
Get down.
But yeah, he almost hit them folks. He almost hit them folks. Ooh, 75 inch. I need that. He almost hit them folks. He need to watch what he doing. Crazy. But hold on, y'all. Y'all, I don't know where I'm going.
You're smarter than pop out, boy. Come on.
Boy, you wait till get there when school start. Y'all, I don't know what's going on. And he don't know what's going on either.
I'll tell you.
He ain't gonna tell nobody. But yeah, y'all. It's a beautiful night in the neighborhood.
What you doing, man? Yeah, get the hot chip.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a few minutes. Okay, y'all. We done made it to the counter. And I'm ready to go. Jelani, move! What is you doing? Jelani,
Tonight.
get up. Your ugly self.
You get none of this. Take that back.
Uh-huh.
Zero. Take them all back. Take them all back.
Oh, poor baby. Cause you ain't getting it. Y'all,
Take it back.
I'm gonna take care what y'all when we get back in the truck.
How you doing?
Cause they doing too much now. Alright.
Take it back.
Alright, y'all. We done made it back in the truck out the store, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm sweating out like a hound dog. I'm so tired, I don't know what to do. But we finna get ready to go back home, y'all. We finna go buy these fireworks. So I'll see y'all when we get home. Say bye to mine.
Bye, y'all. Gang.
Say bye.
Bye.
Gang, gang.
Gang.
Alright, y'all. So y'all, as y'all can see on this video, it was not any sound. But I'm just gonna show y'all how you see now he is buying the fireworks, and Jermaine is just sitting there trying to find out what's going on and thinking he paying for the fireworks and he ain't paying for nothing. But that's just, I gotta do this voiceover, y'all, because it wasn't no sound. So as you can see, we got all them 3 big boxes of fireworks, and Jermaine got his bag. And so now they walking to the truck and all of that. So y'all can watch the rest of the clip. I'm gonna just stop the voiceover right now. Well, now y'all, as y'all can see, I done made it home. Finally, I done made it home. So y'all, I'm so tired. It's been a long day. It's hot out there. As y'all can see, I'm sweating. Y'all, it's been a long day. And I still have a long day ahead of me. So y'all, what I'm finna do now is I'm finna go and relax. And I'm finna chill until later on today when the sun go down a little bit. The next clip, y'all might see me in the water slide. Y'all might see me outside chilling, listening to music and doing whatever. But I'm finna relax. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. And let's get it, man. Peace. Alright, YouTube. Today was a great day. Happy 4th of July again once to everybody. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Come say peace, Jamal.